What made you feel attracted to a person you initially weren't attracted to? 1. We were waiting for a table at a restaurant, so I grabbed a chair nearby to sit. The people with me sat down around me and all the available chairs were taken. She was just my friend at the time and jokingly sat in my lap, but remained there for the 10 minutes before our table was seated. She definitely moved some blood around. 2. In high school, a girl I hung out with but wasn't initially into changed clothes in front of me on the basis that, well, you've seen me in a bikini so whatever, and I was like, yup. 3. I was off from college for about a week. I came back and a friend of mine who I hung out with every day ran up and hugged me, but as she hugged me she jumped and wrapped her legs around me and we were just looking at each other. Should have just went for it, but alas, I only realized months later that I fumbled. 4. Her perfume. I swear to God she spiked it with pheromones, cause that's all I thought about when I was near her. 5. He turned out to be really smart and really funny. Also, one day he rolled the sleeves of his sweater up and it turned into something of a forearm kink. 6. We were sitting on her couch watching TV, finished our Chinese food, she got a pint